Right. Right. Good morning, everyone. Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to me in the chat for me, guys. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond to me in the chat for me. Please respond. Please respond. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. A very good morning, guys. Very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting out today's sessions, let me ask you this. Anyone new today? Offline students? For the first time you are coming to the class? First time. First time. Okay. So, online students, anyone new today? Please message me in the chat or else feel free to raise your hands in the meeting. Feel free to please raise your hands in the meeting so that I'll be able to know how many of you are new today. Okay, Iqbal, Sriranga, only 2 people. All right. This is for the new people who came today only. Guys, we started our sessions on Friday, last week Friday. So I already said this, Advanced Java, there are no demo classes. Advanced Java will be completed within 50 working days. 50 working days. In those 50 working days, 3 days already completed. Friday, day 1, Saturday, day 2, yesterday, Monday, that is day 3. 3 days already completed, and both all these 3 days recordings are available in this scanner. Feel free to scan and join in that WhatsApp community. Right now, if you join, nothing will be there for the first time if you're joining. But once our today's session got completed, all last 3 days recordings, including today's recording also, will be available in that WhatsApp community. Please make sure to scan, and most importantly, make sure to watch the recordings. 100% you need to watch the recordings. That is for sure. 100%, right from day 1 onwards. Okay. All right. So let us start with our today's session. So guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our, last 3 days of our session. So yes, we started our advanced Java classes on Friday, 3 days completed. On day 1, we discussed about different types of applications, like we are having 4. What are those? Standalone, web-based, enterprise, and mobile applications. We already know the difference between web applications and enterprise applications. Standard applications absolutely outdated. Feel free to close the laptops. Feel free to close the laptops. Close, just close. Okay. Yes. Coming to standalone, yes, standalone applications are absolutely outdated. You guys will not be, I repeat, you guys will not be working on those standalone applications. So other 2, web applications and enterprise applications, we already know what is the difference between web applications and enterprise applications. In both the scenarios, output will be visible on a browser. But the main difference between web and enterprise application is when you're dealing with enterprise application, there will be a payment portal. And web applications, there will not be any payment gateway. Payment portal will not be there. So example, any e-commerce website, you can consider that as a enterprise application. Your college websites, normal websites where information will be there, you can consider them as web applications, as simple as this. So after completing our advanced Java, as a matter of fact, in order to create a web application, we need to have an idea about JDBC servlets and JSP. These are the syllabus which is present in our advanced Java. In order to create an enterprise application, we need to have an idea about framework, Spring Boot, that too with microservices, Spring Boot with microservices. So after completing our advanced Java, yes, you will be able to create a web application. After completing your Spring Boot, you will be able to create a enterprise application. There's a difference. This is different. That is different. Okay. Now, after that, yes, we started discussing about, okay, we completed different types of applications and then we started discussing about storages. Okay, so basically how many types of storages are there? Four types: field storage, object storage, file storage, and database storage. Of course, we know that field object storage both are temporary storages. So we need to go for a more permanent kind of storage, that is file storage. File storage is okay. That is okay-ish, okay-ish. Why? Because there are some problems are there, like mainly for like data redundancy, data inconsistency, loss of data integrity, data sharing and data security problems will be coming. So in order to overcome these problems, we need to opt for a more permanent, more reliable kind of storage, that is database storage. When you're speaking about databases, there are a lot of databases are there. Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, NoSQL, DB2, MongoDB, lot of databases are there. At least one database we are supposed to have an idea. Now, I advise you for going for Oracle as of now. Oracle. When you're dealing with Spring Boot, maybe your trainer will deal with MySQL also when you're going for Spring Boot. Anyways, that's another scenario. All right. So yes, we know, as I said, you need to have an idea about Oracle. So you guys already completed Oracle or learning Oracle? So everyone laptop must be having that Oracle database in yours. I mean, is it installed? Okay, we'll discuss that very soon. Wait for it. Okay. And then we started discussing about JDBC. Before going to JDBC, terminologies, 5 P's. 5 P's. First one, persistence. After that, persistent store, persistent data, persistent operations, persistence logic. That is nothing but JDBC. Persistent logic is nothing but JDBC. And then we started discussing about JDBC architecture. How many components are there? Wait. Please wait, buddy. Sit down. Why you're absent? Don't miss the classes, please. Please don't miss. 7 components are there. Okay, totally there are 7 components are there. Buddy, what are those 7? JDBC API. One more time. Driver manager class. Say driver manager class. Start from the beginning. JDBC API. Driver manager class. Wait. I request you kindly please wait. Guys, if you want to read, you need to read it not in the class. Once the class got completed. I need absolute silence, please, when I'm asking a question. I request you. Please carry on. Start from the beginning. JDBC API. Driver manager class. No, not impressed. Amma, you. JDBC API. Driver manager class. Drivers. Connection interface. Statements. Result set. SQL exception. Repeat. JDBC API. Driver manager class. JDBC drivers. Connection interface. Not impressed. Buddy, repeat. JDBC API, driver manager class, connection interface. I'm going to give you a minute or 2 minutes time. Everyone, please cross check one more time. Open your notes and please cross check. No, I need them. I need that architecture. Please open your notes and cross check them. Please. Entire JDBC revolves around these components, guys. Please cross check. If you are having any doubt, I request you to kindly please cross check. Even in sleep also, if I ask you, you should be able to answer this question. Please cross check. Please cross check. I mean it. I literally mean it. You'll understand later why I'm saying these many times. Come on, please. Yesterday you asked me WhatsApp. Who asked me? Someone asked me WhatsApp videos are not there. That person did not came today. Okay, fine. You asked me. Today is your first class. Scan the scanner. If this is your first class, please scan the scanner. And in those, I asked how many of you are new. Please scan it. And 3 days recordings, 100% you need to watch. Please scan it. If you scan it right now, if you join, videos will not be there. It is a like empty WhatsApp community. After completion of our today's session, last 3 days recording, including today's recording also will be there. Scan and join, please. All right, guys, please tell me, when you're speaking about JDBC architecture, totally how many components are there? How many? First one, absolutely, JDBC API. After that, driver manager. You know how important that class is, driver manager class. Third one, drivers. How many drivers are there? We'll get back to that. Fourth one, connection interface. After that, statements. After that, result set interface. After that, SQLX. When you're speaking about drivers, how many drivers are there? Please tell me what are those. I need the technical names. Technical names. Tell me. ODBC bridge driver, native API driver, network protocol driver, and thin Java driver or pure Java. Which driver generally we will be using? Thin Java driver, we will be using that. Okay. After that, when you're speaking about statements, basically there are 3 types of statements are there. May I know what are those 3? First one, statement interface. Say interface. Statement interface. Next one, prepare statement interface. Third one, callable statement interface. Okay. Anyways, statement, prepared statement, and callable statement. One more time. What are those? Statement, prepared statement, callable statement. When we need to use a statement? When simple SQL query for one time. We need to use a statement if we need to execute simple SQL query for one time. When we need to use prepared statement, if we need to execute one SQL query for multiple times, then we need to use prepared statement. What about callable statement? When we need to use callable statement, if we want to execute multiple SQL queries for one time. Actually, in Oracle, there is this concept known as procedures and functions. In that, we need to, if whenever we are using callable statement, we need to use procedures or functions concept, which is present in Oracle. If it is completed, very good. Otherwise, I'll let you know. No need to worry. So in simple, one more time, one last time. Please tell me how many types of statements are there? First one, when we will use statement? Simple SQL query for one time. What about prepared statement? When we'll be using prepared statement? One SQL query for multiple times. Whenever we are speaking about callable statement, listen. Whenever we are speaking about callable statement, we need to use procedures and functions. Stored procedures and functions. Procedures and functions concept is present in Oracle. Inside procedures and functions, we will be able to store multiple SQL queries. So basically, callable statement is going to deal with multiple SQL queries for one time. Right? So we'll see that. First, we are going to start with statement, after that prepared statement, and last callable statement, we'll see that. Anyways, one more time, statements, and after statements, we are having result set. When you're speaking about result set, I told you what is actually a result set. Result set means, result set object means nothing but the data which we got from the database by using selection group SQL queries. Whenever we are using selection group SQL queries, we will be getting some data, na? From the employee table or else any kind of data. I repeat, whenever we are using selection group SQL queries, the data which we are retrieving from the database, we need to consider that data as an object, and that object is nothing but result set. Result set. Literally, the name itself is self-explanatory. I hope you're understanding the point here, right? So this is actually the JDBC architecture, which we already discussed. And after that, yesterday we started discussing about connecting our Java program to the database. Just a second. Okay, drivers. Yes. Yesterday, we started discussing about connecting our Java program to the database. We created a table. Is it done? We created a table. Which table? Employee table. And after that, we inserted 4 to 5 records into that particular table. That's it. Up to that, we have done. After that, you wrote regarding connection, establishing the connection statements. And after that, some information related to connection interface. And yeah, these are all the methods which are present in connection interface. Up to here, we had covered in our yesterday's session. Before going to our today's concept, yesterday I wrote this small program for you. I guess you remember this. I know you already remember this, but I want you to write this in your notes. Please, could you please have this only one program? This program, both class A, interface A, and class B in your notes, not in the laptop. Please first start with interface A. First start with interface A and then write class A, please. Please first start with interface A. Write this program in your notes, please. Yesterday you not wrote this program, na? Yes, kindly please have this. Similar kind of program you already did. You already wrote it, but that is different. This is different. Like, this is a static method. We are having parameterizer methods similar to get connection method. First, please have it. Come on. Guys, if you are having a trouble looking at the program, please come and sit front. Who said no for it? Bags are there. You can come and sit here. Anyone is having any trouble? Chairs are there, na? If you are having a trouble looking at the code, please occupy the first benches, please. First chairs. I request you to carry the notes also. When I say laptop is mandatory, I don't mean only laptop. I need both laptop and a notes, right? Writing is much more easier than typing. If you are habituated to typing, that is okay. But please carry both notes and a laptop. Is done? And after writing class A, please make sure to write class B also. After writing class A, make sure to write class B. First line is completed here. Line number 5 is done. No, please have this line number 5. Go ahead, no problem. Please observe the semicolon. Okay. In line number 8, there is no semicolon. Semicolon is present at line number 20. Please check that correctly. If you're writing semicolon at line number 8, that literally does not make any sense. You'll be getting a compile time error. Done? Online students, if completed, kindly please message me in the chat for me. Okay. I hope it's completed. Is it done? 1 minute. I'll wait for 1 minute, guys. One last minute. Oh, so chat is out to host one. Just a minute, guys. I forgot. Okay, guys. Now online students, you can send the messages for everyone. Okay. I forgot to enable everyone option. Right now it's there. Can you check? Please select everyone. Is it possible to send a message? I just wanted to confirm it. Yeah, that is good. That is good. You can send me a message. That is good. All right. I hope it's completed. All right. Now, what is our driver name? Silence, please. Don't look in your notes. Don't revise. Driver name. Say completely. I'm waiting. Time up. How many steps are there? In order to create a connection, how many steps we have written? 5. First one. Loading the driver. Tell me the code for it. Hmm. Hmm. Oracle. Colon. One more time. Hmm. Tell me the driver name. Tell me, that is correct. Oracle, colon or dot? Dot. Conference is not there. Okay, buddy. Driver name. No, you have no idea what is it. Last. Yeah, not girl. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me the driver name. JDBC dot. Oracle dot. Is it JDBC or Oracle dot? Are whom I'm asking? Tell me, Tali, one more time. Oracle or JDBC? JDBC or Oracle? This is where confusion happens. I'm not only speaking for her, I'm speaking about everyone. Generally, this is where confusion starts. Driver name and your database URL. You need to remember those. You need to. So please tell me, what is the driver name? Oracle or JDBC? Oracle, dot or colon? Small letter or capital letter? Come on. Start from the beginning. Oracle, dot, JDBC, dot, Oracle driver. O, capital, D, capital. Tell me your database URL. Wait. Don't look in your notes, please. I request you. When I ask a question, don't look in your notes. Try to look in your mind. Try to remember that. Take a minute time. What is the database URL? I request you, don't look in your notes. Don't look in your notes. Try to remember the URL. Don't discuss. Don't discuss. Just remember the URL. Small letters, capital letters, everything. If you are okay, fine. Otherwise, now look in your notes. Feel free to cross check right now. First, what we need to write? JDBC dot JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon @localhost colon 1521 colon. I have written XC. Why? Because my database is Oracle 11. As you guys are using Oracle 2126, you need to write ORCL. Am I clear with this? Okay. Now, Amma, you. What is your driver? I mean, tell me the driver. I'm not asking what is a driver. I'm asking, tell me the driver, code for driver, loading the driver. Class dot for name. Oracle. Oracle or JDBC first? Oracle dot or colon? Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle driver. You tell me the URL. Tell me. Start. Start. Just start. Oracle colon. Okay. Continue. JDBC. Look. Open your notes and look. No, seriously, I mean it. If you are unable to say this, no, I'll wait. 100% I need to wait. Everyone should be knowing the URL and driver. That is for sure. That is for sure. Literally no exceptions for that. You need to have a proper idea about this. Then only I can proceed. So please cross check. Absolutely okay. If you are having good foundation, strong basics, remaining will be very, very easy for you. I promise. Driver name. Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle driver. URL. JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon colon localhost colon. I'm sorry. 1521 colon ORCL. So can I ask? Can I ask? All right. I'll ask tomorrow. No, seriously, I'll ask tomorrow. All right, guys. Now let's try to deal with our first JDBC program. Please listen to me once. Generally, if checking the ratio, nearly only 10 to 20% of the people will be able to connect your Java program to the database for the first time. For the first time. Sir, why? What about remaining people? Various reasons will be there. When you're speaking about advanced Java, even though you are writing the code properly, there will be a lot of factors affecting your program. Sometimes your machine will not support. Sometimes your database will not support. Sometimes your Java version will not support. Sometimes your Eclipse will not support. A lot of things will be there. So today, our target is just connecting our Java program to the database. That's it. Not more than that. So we'll see. For some people, it will connect. For some people, it will not connect. Directly, I'm saying you. Directly, I'm saying you. If it is not connecting, the very first thing what you need to check is check your database URL and database driver. No, our driver, thin driver names. Why? Because those will be present inside double quotes, string data. And after that, I'll let you know what you need to do. So shall we start our first JDBC program? Let's go. I've been waiting for this. Open your laptops, please. Open your laptops, everyone. Go ahead. Open your laptops. Okay. First things first. I want you to follow exactly the instructions which I'm going to give you right now. Do me a small favor. On your desktop, please create a folder named as dbjar. Just like this. On your desktop, please create a folder named as dbjar. Just a normal folder. That's it. Create a folder dbjar. Is it done? Okay. Now, please listen to me when I'm saying I seriously don't encourage any, conversations. Please wait. After creating a folder dbjar, go to C drive, please. Go to C drive. And are you able to find out your Oracle installation folder? Mostly directly it will be in the C drive. Otherwise, it will be present inside program files. Whatever it may be, just please check. Are you able to see your Oracle folder? Okay, no need to do anything. Do me a small favor. In the C drive, okay, in some machines it will be there, in some it will not be there. Please don't cross check with your neighbors. Is it present or not? Just follow my instructions. In the C drive, listen, C drive, search. You are having an option to search now. The entire folder, the entire drive we can search. Search, enter OJDBC. OJDBC. Just enter OJDBC. Are you getting anything? It is searching. Let it, no problem. Let it. Do you got anything? Still searching? Okay. Then we'll do one thing. Let it search like that. No need to worry. I want you to please press Windows button, E button. Windows E. What happened? New folder came na? Please tell me. New folder came. Now, please search. If you are using Oracle 21, C drive, Oracle, DB Home, JDBC, lib, there should be something like this. Same. Please check. Please check the path. If you are using Oracle 26 also, almost exactly the same will be there. Please check with that. You need to find a folder named as JDBC. In your Oracle installation folder, you need to find a folder named as JDBC. Is it there? Okay. Oracle 26. Anyone please bring your laptop for me once. Who installed Oracle 26? Please come. Where is your Oracle? Where you install? C drive? Where is C drive? Where is Oracle? Oracle 26 AI. Okay. DB Home. Please let me just try to check. Now it should be there. Is it working? Oracle is working? It's not there. How many are using Oracle 26? Raise your hands. Everyone, almost everyone. My God. Okay. We'll do one thing. Just a second. Please check for the people. You are speaking about Oracle 26 AI. Again. No worries. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Deepankar, please check. Did you find out JDBC? People who are using Oracle 26 AI, in that Oracle folder, please check if you find anything related to JDBC. Just a second. That is, no, this is different. Is there anyone able to find that path? JDBC? It's there? May I? Please come. In the meantime, that searching is going on. Is it came? Results came? It's still going? Let me check. Yeah, of course. Okay, this is better. Now, where it is present. See Oracle AI database free, DB home free, JDBC lib. Okay, just a second. See Oracle AI database. DB home, yeah, it's clearly there now. DB home free, and you are having JDBC lib. Copy this OJDBC 17 in the jar file. Just copy it. Copy. Copy in desktop. DB jar. Just paste it. It's there. Okay, guys, I advise you to please check your search box, search folder. Are you getting OJDBC 11, 17 like that? Anyone? Most of the people are getting OJDBC 17. Can you see that? You are getting 11. If you keep your cursor there, listen. When you're speaking about search result, if you are keeping your cursor there, just a little bit, it will tell you the path. It will show you the path. Check the path. Check the path in which folder it is present. Go to that folder. Just move your cursor slowly. It will point you, it will be giving you a path, location, where that jar file is there. Check, go there. Are you understanding me? May I see the laptop? Oh, come in. What's the problem? Yeah, it's there. Fine, no problem. Where it is, you are using Oracle 10. So fine, go to this, right click, open file location, copy it, paste it in the DB jar. Where is your desktop? In desktop, you are having DB jar, na? DB jar, paste it. Done, completed. Good. Okay. Let me make this still simple. Guys, listen. I just want you to please listen to me once. Listen. Almost everyone got your search results back. Please tell me yes or no. For the people who got the search results, there will be different versions of jar files. Like, for example, OJDBC 11, OJDBC 10, OJDBC 16, OJDBC 16G, 17G, like that different versions of jar files you will be having. Please listen. I want you to select highest version of jar file. For example, I'm having OJDBC. Let's just an example. When I'm in my search results, Nana, listen. In my search results, I got OJDBC 6, OJDBC 8, OJDBC 8G. Just example I'm saying. OJDBC 6, OJDBC 8, OJDBC 8G. I want you to select OJDBC 8. Leave alphabets like G, H, leave like that. Select the highest version of your jar file. What is the highest version of your jar file? OJDBC 17. That is for 26. People who are using Oracle 26. If you are using Oracle 21 like that, 21 or 11 or the highest version, please tell me what is the highest version? OJDBC 17. Any others? You are having OJDBC 11. Leave 8. Highest, I just want the highest version. Highest is 17. In your machine, highest is 17. Leave it. I don't want the second highest. I want the first highest in your machine. In your machine. OJDBC 8. That is the highest version in your laptop. Select that. Just select the highest version. Okay. Right click on it. Right click on it. And if you give a right click, it will be giving you something like, show file location. Can you see anything like show file location? Open file location. Can you see that? Please tell me. Select open file location. You should be getting a folder. Can you see that? Hey, only one person is responding. What about others? Can you see it? Now, copy that jar file. Just copy. Copy that jar file and paste it in the desktop folder, dbjar. Don't cut it, copy. Copy that and paste it in your desktop jar files. Just paste it. So you will be seeing OJDBC 14 or 17. Is it there? In desktop, you created a dbjar folder. Na? In the dbjar folder, just paste it. Just paste it. That's it. Yeah, sure. Copy that jar file and you guys have already created a folder named as dbjar in the desktop. Open that dbjar and paste that file. That's it. If you say it's done, I'll move on to the next step. It's done. Online students, I want you to kindly please respond. Is it done? Okay. So, please do me a small favor. Close all the folders in your system except Eclipse. Just close. Close whatever the search boxes, whatever the search things which you have done. Close everything. Just close the folders. Close the folders. Close. Is it done? Now, in your desktop, do you have a folder named as dbjar? Open that. What you are having, tell me. OJDBC 17 or 11 or 8 different. It's there. Jar file is there. Enough. All right. Now, do me a small favor. Open your Eclipse. Open your Eclipse. Okay. Please do exactly what I'm saying. Otherwise, connections will not be happening. Exactly what I'm saying. I want you to create a project. You know how to create a project. Right click, go to new, select Java project. And please give the project name as JDBC training. JDBC training. JDBC training. Buddy, you. What is the project name? Not you. Please listen. Please listen. JDBC training. Okay. And the most important part is eyes on the board. Eyes on the board. Everyone, eyes on the board. Okay. The most important point is there is a checkbox named as create module info.java. Please uncheck that right now. Uncheck it. Uncheck it. Is it done? Now give a click on next. After that, finish. Fine. Cool. Finish. All right. Now right click on your project. Right click on your project. Go to build path. Go to build path. Configure build path. Configure build path. And there you will be having some options like source, projects, libraries, order and import, module dependencies, like that. I want you to select libraries. Please select libraries. There are some options are there, right side, add jar, add external jars. All those options are not highlighted. Yes, not highlighted. I want you to please select class path. There is an option here in the middle of the screen, class path. Just give a single click on it. Obviously, those buttons will be highlighted. Can you see them? Now, please make sure to select add jars. Add jars. Do one thing, cancel. Please cancel. Select add external jars. I want you to select the button add external jars. Go to desktop. Go to your folder, the folder which you have created. What is it? Please open that folder. Select your jar file. Select your jar file. Select it. And then apply, apply and close. Apply, apply and close. Now, expand your project. Here, there's a small arrow mark now. Expand your project. There is an option known as referenced libraries. Expand it. You should be able to see your jar file. Can you see it? Done. Jar file is successfully, we added the jar file to the build path. If this jar file is not there, we will not be able to connect our Java program to the database. Why? Because in this jar file only, there will be our driver. Can you see this? Oracle dot, just a sec. Let me try to, can you see this? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver. But what is our driver? We need Oracle driver. Just let me try to wait. Here, Oracle dot JDBC. Let me just try to expand this. Now here, Oracle. Just a minute. Let me try to check. Can you see this Oracle driver? Yes. Okay. Let me just try to minimize this. Okay. Now here, what is the package I open? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver package. In that particular driver, or else let me make here, Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle driver. Can you see this? What is our driver name, Ra? Oracle, tell me first one. Please tell me what is the driver name first one? Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle dot fully qualified class name. I hope you're understanding me, right? So if we are not adding this jar files into our project, we will not be able to connect our Java program to the database. Why? Because in this jar file only drivers will be there. You know what is the use of a driver? Driver is a software component which will be connecting Java program to the database. Okay, done. Now we'll do one thing. Let us try to create a package. Right click on SRC, right click on SRC, go to new, select a package, right click on SRC. One more time I'm saying, right click on SRC, go to new, select package. Please give the package name as com.pack1. Please give the package name as com.pack1. Finish. Just finish. com.pack1. Finish. Enough. Inside that package, let us try to create our first program class. Right click on that particular package, go to new, select class, and let's go with the JDBC app1. JDBC underscore app1, application 1. JDBC app1. Finish. Just finish. So now our class got created. Okay. Our class got created. Now, let us try to first create variables. Variables. How many variables we need to create? 4. 4 variables. Let me show you. Private, 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 string. First one is DB URL, database URL. Okay. After that, private string database. First I'll go with driver. DRIV driver, DB URL, DB uname, and DB UPWD. Just like this. Now, could you please help me? Tell me what is our driver? Tell me. ORACLE Oracle dot JDBC dot ORACLE Oracle driver. Tell me what is our URL? Please tell me. JDBC colon ORACLE Oracle colon thin colon @ LOCL localhost colon 1521 colon. You need to write ORCL. You need to write ORCL. I'm writing XC, my database service name. Now, my database username is SYSTM system, and its password is MANAGER manager. Sir, I don't know the database username and password. Uninstall, reinstall again. Yeah, Ali. Rakhi, I guess you are following. Rakhi and Deshmukh. Where we need to paste the JDBC path. I cannot right now, I cannot go like that, Ali. Do one thing, today's recording also will be available. Feel free to cross check. Why? Because, I cannot go back to explain right now. No? I request you to kindly please listen clearly, buddy. IAM MySQL database will be different. I mean, MySQL URL will be different. Driver will be different. Right? All right. Is it done, guys? Yeah. Come here. Wait. Time is there. Wait. What? Jar file is? Where is your project which you have created? Did you create it right now a new project? Where it? Create it and come. Go. All right. Now you wrote the code. Okay. Guys, listen to me clearly once. Listen. Okay. For example, in the place of here, small o, if I write capital O, I will not be getting any error. I believe you're observing that, right? Absolutely not. We will not be getting any error. So please make sure to write them clearly. Cross check multiple times. No problem. All right. All right. Now let's try to write a method. Public. Come on, continue. Public void connect method. Connect method. System.out.println. Connecting to the database. Okay. Now after that, let's try to go like try catch. Obviously, try catch. Now, step one. What is the first step in current? I mean, when creating a connection to the database, loading the driver. What is the code for it? Class dot per name, and we need to give the driver. So directly I'm giving like this driver. Done. Step two, we need to call a method establishing the connection. We need to call a method. What is the method we need to call? Okay, Nana, listen. Stop coding. Stop coding. When I say stop coding, literally please stop coding. Right. Listen first. Now, first we need to get the connection. So class dot for name, here we need to give this entire driver. But instead of giving here directly, I took it as a variable. So, it will be easy for us to understand. I have given something like this driver. That's it. Now, step two, we need to create a connection, establishing the connection. In order to do that, I said eyes on the board. Don't code, please. Okay. In order to get our connection, literally we need to call a method named as get connection method. Yesterday, we already covered that. Get connection method is a static method which is present in driver manager class. So could you please help me with the code? Tell me the code. Driver manager dot get connection. First parameter URL. Second parameter. I'm sorry. What is the second parameter? You name, user name. But here what it is actually suggesting, am I getting any error? So please cross check that correctly. Second parameter, we need to give user name. Third parameter, what we need to give? Password. And after that, semicolon. What is the return type for this? Return type is connection interface. Let me just try to write like this. Connection interface. Kindly please do remember connection interface, driver manager class, both are present inside which package? Say completely. Java.SQL package. Never use dot star. No. A big no. I'll not recommend using dot star. As a developer, you should be knowing which classes, which interfaces actually you are using in your program. Am I clear with this? Okay. Now that's it. Done. Completed. Here, just I'm going to write system.out.println. If everything is working properly, CONNECD. Connection, CONN, connection, CREATD. Connection created. Now, let me just try to go like here, SQL exception. Let me go like E. We'll do one thing. Let me go with exception only as of now. Exception E and simply E dot print stack trace method. That's it. And it is always a good programming practice to close the connection. That's it. All right. Now, if everything is working properly, I should be getting connecting to the database. And after that, connection created. Let's see what happens. Let me go to my main method. Okay. I said eyes on the board. Don't code. Please don't code when I'm asking you to look at the code. Don't code. Okay. Let's create an object. Let's go. New JDBC app1. Okay. Equal to obj belongs to JDBC app1. And after that, let us try to call obj dot connect method. Obj dot connect method. So let's see, am I going to get this connection created output or not? Right click, run as Java application. Nice. Done. Now it's your turn. Carry on. Now proceed. You should be getting your output that is connection created like this. Let's go. Go ahead. What happened? How many of you done? Only one, two. Carry on. Please carry on. What happened, Amma?
Correct.
What happened? What you want me to do? Tell me. Your database is Oracle 21C. This is a jar file. Copy paste this jar file. Copy it and paste it in the DB jar. Where is the DB jar folder? DB jar. Paste it. Yes. And then continue. Yes. Please come. Move the back. What happened? Okay. Guys, if anyone is getting like an exception, SQL exception, like cannot connect to the database, SID, or CL is not registered with the listener, like that, if anyone is getting that exception, disable your antivirus. Disable, as a matter of fact, not disable, uninstall antivirus, disable the firewall, and then check. First, please cross check whether URL, driver, username, password, everything is correct or not. If your code is correct, then disable your antivirus, completely uninstall antivirus, disable the firewall, and then check. Disable the firewall. Done. What happened? Laptop shut down. How many of you completed? Please raise. Guys, please raise. How many of you completed? How many of you are able to connect to the database? Only 3 to 4 people. Yeah, try. Try. That's what I said. Try. Don't worry. But 100% by tomorrow, everyone will be able to connect. Trust me. Why? Because you will not be able to sleep until it connected. You need to connect it. That's it. Recoverable exception. Same scenario. Any kind of exceptions you are getting, sometimes you will be getting connector refusal connection exception. Any exceptions you are getting, first please cross check your private variables, whether everything is right or wrong, spelling mistakes, colons, everything, small letters, capital letters, and then disable the antivirus, uninstall. Actually, as a matter of fact, uninstall antivirus, disable the firewall, and then check. Try. And Deshmukh, you need to go for Oracle 11. I mean, OJDBC 11, right? Deshmukh, OJDBC 11. Yeah, go ahead. That's what I said. Listen, when I explaining you, clearly explain. Please cross check. Everyone should be getting the output like this. Connection created. Done? That's good. Good. What you have written? Free. Okay, do one thing in the place of war sale. Sometimes people will be getting try to write free, FREE free, and check whether is it connecting or not. In the place of XE, Akshay, not Akshay, Ashish. Believe me, if you're sending an error message like that, don't expect me to solve it. Absolutely not. That's not going to happen, buddy. I cannot do that actually, right? That is good. In the place of XE, I mean, you are giving ORCL. Otherwise, try to go with free. Is it connected? Good job. Done. Just connect. Let's see. Check that. Check that. Check that. Please check that. Remove this. Guys, when you're speaking about username and password, you need to give your database username and password. Not the same. I guess please cross check that once. Please cross check that once. All right. How many of you guys done? Okay, that is good. That is good. Nice. Yes. Someone is calling? Yes. Come here. What happened? Which exception? Network protocol. Firewall. Firewall. Network means directly firewall. Yes. What? Restart and check. Restart. Restart. Hold. Hold. Hold the laptop. Uninstall antivirus. Disable the firewall and check. It will work. All right. All right. Guys, I guess almost most of the people had connected to the database. That is actually a good one. Very, very good. Very improved. That is good. That's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. Tomorrow we are going to deal with our first statement. There are, please tell me how many types of statements are there? How many? You. What is the question? What is the question? Listen clearly. Tell me, guys. How many types of statements are there? How many? First one. When we will use statement? Simple SQL query for tomorrow. We are going to start with that statement. All right. Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. For the people who did not got your database connected, whatever you do by tomorrow, it should be connected. You need to be getting connected to the database. That is for sure. Right? Dot. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for listening. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Online students, I guess you understood. So make sure 100% by tomorrow, you should be able to connect our Java program to the database. That is for sure. All right. Of course, this today's recording also will be available in the Google Classroom. I mean, in the WhatsApp community, our team will upload. So please cross check that once, right? Monica, please upload today's recording as soon as possible in the WhatsApp community. Ayan, sir, I have no Oracle database. Okay, if you don't have Oracle database, I'll try to give you Oracle 11 or else just download Oracle database and install it. Download Oracle database. You need to install it. You need to install it, Ayan. Right? Right. Yes. You download it. Okay, fine. It's working now. It's work. It's fine. Fine. It's working, right? It is working. Fine. Done. 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 All right, guys. See you. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks for listening.